Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to do a quick video highlighting all of the accessories that I have on the bike. A lot of folks on the forums and on my YouTube channel are asking, what the parts that I got and where I got them from. So kind of just wanted to show you guys everything. So here are the Road 6s. Let's start with the tires. Phenomenal tires, sticky as hell. Highly recommend them. Beautiful, look good, and they perform flawlessly. Got the Akrapovic full system that I got the headers and the silencer from WRS in Italy. Look at that beautiful blue on the headers. Just gorgeous, gorgeous headers and system. Got the WRS windscreen, the race windscreen. That covers the radar as well as the yellow WRS headlight protector that matches and kind of ties in the fog lights, the OEM fog lights that I had spray painted yellow. We have obviously the BT Moto Stage 2 that I got from BT Moto with the velocity stacks. Removed the triple black stickers that were right here. Bunch of Ilmberger forged carbon fiber parts, right? The heel protectors, side panels. I'll also order this piece that's coming this week. And then this piece is going to be tank skin to have a little bit of grip on the tank with my legs. Powder coated the side panels at my powder coater. The DBK bolts I have covered everywhere. They do say DBK on them. We got the DBK cylinder covers on both sides, as well as the Rizoma stealth mirrors. We got a Nisota seat from Italy. I ordered this one from MotorStorm. Ilmberger parts, all of them come from WRS. The full system came from WRS. The DB gate parts come from WRS. These I ordered from Wunderlich America, the frame plug covers. I got the DBK pegs. Those also came from WRS. Obviously, this luggage plate came from my BMW dealer. Got the Rizoma tail tidy that I cut really, really short to tuck it in as much as possible. There's a video on how I did that. And that also came from WRS. So as you'll notice, a lot of these parts came from WRS, super fast shipping. These guys are incredible. I just use an SP Connect mount for my phone. I use this clamp right here because I don't use a cover on my iPhone. It's raw. That's just the way I like it. And then again, more Ilmberger carbon fiber parts on this side. So yeah, there you have it. Stage 2, as I mentioned, on the Brentoon. DBK parts up here as well. Little bar end weights. And I removed the BMW connected ride mount just to make it a little bit more streamlined. I never really used it. And I think that's it, guys. I think that covers it. The tire stickers came from a company called TireStickers.com. They're local to me here in LA. So I just went over there and picked them up. And I think that covers all of it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, or if you guys have any more questions, more than happy to keep answering them. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel, guys, and hitting those like buttons. It actually helps the channel a lot, pick up algorithms for folks. And that's it. So hope you enjoy the video, and we'll talk soon.